Hello everybody, welcome back to our channel. Today's video is all about how you can rock a white lehenga to a wedding, to a party or to a festive occasion, be it a day wedding or a day event or a night party function. You can easily carry a white crop-top lehenga. The notion that white lehengas are mostly for a pre-wedding event or are not, the color white is not good for a festive occasion, you can drop it down by looking at this video, because Indian designers have come up with such an outstanding collection of white crop top lehengas, and the youth and the fashionistas have done an outstanding job at wearing white at different occasions and styling them in various ways. White lehenga is definitely an unconventional color. It's not like the normal regular reds and wines and purples and pinks you see at weddings. So if you're wearing a white lehenga, you're certainly going to raise a lot of eyebrows. So the correct styling matters a lot when you're wearing a white lehenga. You can always go for bold makeup with white lehenga, and always choose for different prints on white lehengas, like a floral print or a different hemline or different asymmetrical hemline. A little drama in your lehenga will always is the trick, is to get it right. You can also get different kinds of borders added to your white lehenga to add a little color, or if you want to go for a monochrome white look, you can always go for golden tassels, silver tassels. But if you want to go and do a white and white look, you could go for a different kind of dupatta, but white lehengas with different kinds of work like zari work or satin work look absolutely stunning. So if you are planning on wearing a white lehenga, you could always go for sheer long sleeves, a cropped up blouse which has mirror work or a designer piece, and then you can also get a lot of different cutouts at the back so that it doesn't look like a white dull look. Your outfit has to really speak up, because you're going to wear it at a festive occasion. You don't want it to be dull. You could always go for a pattern cropped up blouse or a designer blouse with furs, with some gold thrown in sequins and zari work. You could also go for different kinds of hemline borders. Like Sonam did carry a white ivory lehenga on her wedding engagement, and it absolutely stunning. You could always go for different kind of jewelry with white lehenga. Green looks absolutely stunning. Kundan jewelry and pearl jewelry also look beautiful with it. So yeah, get the jewelry right, get your makeup right, get your hairstyle right. You could wear gajra with the white lehenga because it does match with your outfit, and you could get a designer blouse stitched. So yeah, you could follow all the elements or go for 2 to 3 elements to make your white lehenga stand out at a wedding or a party. And because most of the girls do not prefer white at a wedding, you are bound to look different and stand out apart from the whole crowd when you don a white lehenga. So yeah, these are the kind of blouses you can carry with your white lehenga. I do hope you got an idea as to what kind of blouse you can carry with a white lehenga. If it is printed, if it is with a net, or if it has a different kind of hemline. So you did find, I hope you did find a lot of inspiration from this video if you are planning on a white lehenga. So if you did find it useful, don't forget to like and share and subscribe to the video. Yeah, also another thing about a white lehenga is when you are wearing a white lehenga, you have to be very careful about your surroundings. If the party or festival is at a very muddy place, or if you know it's going to get dirty, it's better to avoid a white lehenga, because you don't want to be taking care of your lehenga all the time. You want to have fun and enjoy at a party. So wear white when the occasion calls for it, when the place you're going is neat and clean and spick and span. You want to enjoy and you don't want to get it dirty. Also, a bride can also wear a white lehenga if it has a lot of gold elements in it. And if you don't have time for anything, like you don't have time for wearing jewelry and anything, you could always just wear a bold red lip color and you're sorted. And you could also add in a gold neck piece. It doesn't take much time, or gold jhumkas to complete your whole look. So I do hope you like the video. Please like and share if you found anything helpful, and I'll see you in the next video. Till then, take care and bye bye.